Welcome into the realm of sound and vibration with me, your host, Candi Kelogg. The Sounds of Healing, Episode 1. Max Planck said, "Signs in our body are energetic centers, or energetic vortexes, that we call a chakra. Each chakra has its own frequency of vibration, sound, color, and symbol to which it is tuned. They are a vortex of energy that serve as the main points of our life force, and their condition is paramount to how we feel. They affect the nerves and major organs, as well as our emotional and spiritual state through a harmonic resonance of energy fields. When it is cleansed and energized, the chakra is in harmony and plays its most beautiful melody, emitting inherent vibrations. Therefore, we can see how our body not also reacts to sound, which can be used to align or balance our chakras or energy fields, but how it also reacts to sound. The most common chakras are as follows. Crown, which is at the top of your head. It rests at 768 hertz, or the note of G. Our third eye, which is in the middle of our forehead, is 720 hertz, or the note of F. Our throat resides at 672 hertz, or the note of E. Our heart, 594 hertz, or the note of D. Our solar plexus, which is just below the diagram, is 528 hertz, or the note C. Our sacral, our chakras, are very sensitive to the sounds that are around us, as well as the sound that we emit. This is why music, and these sounds, such as music or tones, can affect your body's main energy centers, again, for healing or for harming you. Healing sounds surround us, however, and what has been used throughout the years has become a sound weapon to keep us trapped in a fear-based level of vibration, trapped in separation, and the low vibration of negative emotions. Even the scale of music was changed to keep our energy fields off balance from 432 megahertz, which we will cover in another episode. When we begin to understand the sounds around us, we can begin to understand how they affect us and how we can change them. I want you again to go within, close your eyes, relax your body, and begin to feel. But this time, try to feel the entirety of your body, because in this podcast, I want you to feel how your body responds as you listen to the sounds. Close your eyes and listen not with your ears, but with your body, and go within. The easiest sound to begin with is what we all hear from conception, the heartbeat. Now, I'm going to play a clip, and I want you to have, with your eyes closed, listen to it. And I want you to think. I want you to feel. I want you to identify, where did you feel it? What did you feel? How did it make you feel? Put your energy. And this is true, as attention is thought, which is energy and vibration. And that is what I want you to do, to feel. So now, close your eyes, and let's go within. Take a deep breath. Notice the hair, or lack of, on the top of your head. Now let your breath out slowly so your body relaxes and you can feel it losing its tension. Now move your focus of attention to your heart and notice what you feel. Can you feel it beating, its rhythm? Can you feel it pulsing to move the blood through your body? Can you feel the heaviness in your chest? Does this area of your heart feel warm? Take a moment and feel whatever it is that you're feeling. And then see if you can feel it in other places. Do you feel the pulse of your blood? You might feel it in your neck. You might feel it in your wrists. But take a few minutes and just feel. See what you feel. Later, you can try this exercise on your own, again, using different parts of your body, such as your feet, your hands, or your face. Again, notice what you feel. Notice how you bringing attention to that area makes that area very prominent in your mind, and how you can feel it. Sound, which again is energy and vibration, affects us in many, many ways. Now I will repeat the sound clip again and again with your eyes closed. Try to feel the sounds and where they affect you. Now, staying within your heart, your mind space, as I call it, or going within, I want you to listen to this sound. Now, I'd like you to listen to this audio clip. And again, going within, see how it makes you feel. Where are you feeling it? Are you feeling energy in certain areas? Try to identify as much as you can what you're feeling, physically as well as emotionally. What were the feelings that you had as you listened? Did the sounds bring a feeling of warmth to you? Perhaps a smile on your lips? Did memories fill your mind? Did you feel a sense or a part of your body feeling lighter? A movement of energy or an intenseness that sometimes we will feel when watching a very emotional movie? Sometimes it's even goosebumps or a brief shiver. When you become very sensitive to sound, you can even begin to feel the cells in your body moving. Now again, close your eyes and let's enter into our heart-mind space, go within, and feel the following sounds of first an angry and then a scary sound clip. These surround us on TV, in music, in words and thoughts, spoken and unspoken. See what you feel and feel it. How did you feel as you listened to these sounds? Could you feel the tension in your body building as your energy field contracted to protect you? Can you feel your body pulling in? What does your heart do? What all do you feel? Notice the difference in the next sounds and where you feel them. How many times have you heard sounds like this in movies, radio, and music? Think of the tones used in words when hearing angry voices or arguments. Again, how did you feel when you listened to these sounds? Could you feel the tension, the heart responding, A tightness in your belly? Could you feel a rush of adrenaline in your body? Notice that both of these sound clips use prominent sounds that are low tones. These lower tones affect our first two chakras, the sacral and the root chakras, which deal with our safety and survival. As you have felt and heard, sounds play a major role in our lives. What I have brought to you today is a fraction of how sounds affect us. In today's world, we are far too busy to notice how what is around us affects us. Hopefully, I've brought you some insight. I have included a visualization for forgiveness so you can use it as often as you wish. Remember, not just sounds affects our being and our well-being, but our thoughts as well, which we hear in our heads. This visualization will assist you in clearing some of the negative energies that accumulate in our body that our mind tries to reinforce. Think of when you're mad at someone, the emotions that are invoked, and how your mind constantly goes over and over what they did. Justify why you are mad and what you should do. And to help you to release the sounds you've just heard, I am following this with a body and mind balancing piece. So you leave today feeling relaxed and refreshed and more aware than you have ever been to the sounds surrounding you. Next episode, we will look at the sounds of healing through nature and the color of sound. Until next time, be aware and keep only that which feels good around you.
been listening to The Sound of Healing with host Candi Kelogg. To connect with Candi or to check out our other shows, head to lifesource.global. And don't forget, hit the like, subscribe and share buttons. This show has been brought to you by Source Light Productions.